The mantis shrimp can perceive polarized light and has 16 color-receptive cones. The Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon without aid. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. The Eiffel Tower can grow up to 15 centimeters during hot days. Sharks existed before trees evolved. A day on Venus lasts longer than its year. Honey never spoils. Edible honey over 3,000 years old has been found. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Iceland has no mosquitoes. The first programmable computer was invented in the 1940s by Konrad Zuse. Russia spans 11 time zones. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in one. Water can boil and freeze at the same time, the triple point. The Amazon River sometimes reverses its flow. The Eiffel Tower was originally intended for Barcelona. A bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Peanut butter can be turned into diamonds through high pressure. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the Great Pyramid's construction. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. The world's oldest known pants are over 3,000 years old and from China. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. The sun makes up 99.86% of the mass in our solar system. Rain contains vitamin B12. A day on Mercury doesn't rotate enough to have nights regularly. The Vatican has the world's smallest army, at around 110 guards. There's a jellyfish species, Turritopsis dohrnii, that is biologically immortal. Birds are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. The world's largest hot desert is Antarctica. The first 3D printer was built in 1983 by Chuck Hull. Russia's Lake Baikal contains 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Venus spins in the opposite direction from most planets. The original Olympic Games awarded only olive wreaths. Banging your head against a wall burns about 150 calories an hour. Dolphins have unique signature whistles akin to names. A human sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. A narwhal's tusk reveals its health history. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect against sand. The average cumulus cloud weighs over 1 million pounds. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. The entire internet weighs about the same as a strawberry. Earth's magnetic field is shifting at about 10 miles per year. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters higher every year. Koalas have fingerprints nearly identical to humans. Ancient Romans used urine to whiten their teeth. A bolt of lightning can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius. The smell of freshly cut grass is a plant distress signal. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes of liquid methane. Jellyfish have survived 5 mass extinctions. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Penguins propose with pebbles. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. The word nerd was first coined by Dr. Seuss. The deepest postbox in the world is in Susami Bay, Japan. The fingerprints of a koala are virtually indistinguishable from humans. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at 3.8 centimeters per year. Antarctica is the driest continent on Earth. Termites build the tallest structures relative to their size. The longest hiccuping spree lasted 68 years. The first webcam watched a coffee pot at Cambridge University. A bolt of lightning can strike the same place multiple times. The first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1971. Bubble wrap was originally intended to be wallpaper. Africa is the only continent in all 4 hemispheres. The largest living organism is a fungus in Oregon. The human body glows in the dark, but it's 1,000 times too faint to see. Bacteria are the most numerous organisms on Earth. The strongest muscle in the body proportionally is the masseter, or jaw muscle. The first video uploaded to YouTube was titled, "Me at the Zoo." The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the world in a lifetime. Lobsters taste with their legs. The Earth's inner core is as hot as the surface of the sun. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. There are more fake flamingos in the world than real ones. The Sahara Desert was once a lush green region. Bees can recognize human faces. The world's deepest postbox is 10 meters underwater. Snakes can predict earthquakes. The longest English word without a vowel is rhythms. Some species of ants can build living bridges. Japanese macaques use hot springs to stay warm. The first color photograph was taken in 1861. A teaspoon of neutron star would weigh about 6 billion tons. Artificial intelligence beat humans at poker before it beat them at Go. The Sargasso Sea is the only sea without a land boundary. Gorillas can catch human colds and other illnesses. Rainbows can appear as full circles in some conditions. The name for the shape of Pringles is a hyperbolic paraboloid. Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump. The moon has moonquakes. Some frogs can survive being frozen. The longest tennis match lasted over 11 hours. Apples float because they are 25% air. Credits script by your name or channel name.